Okay, so that's the opening riff from Love Me Two Times by The Doors. We're gonna have a rest on the first half of the first beat. So it's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and this is in a swing feel. So it's not, it's got that swing, dun, da, dun, da, dun. So we go rest. So we come in with the 2 on the A string to the D string open. Back to that 2 there, then the 2 on the D string. So it's 2 0 2 2 2 0 2. Okay, so it ends with B note there to D to E notes. So we got a 1. We hit 2 open E's, and we do a trill on that open and 1 on the G string, and we do 2 more E's and another trill. So we got 1. Now the only thing that's different is we're gonna start with the first beat of the new measure after those trills with the open E. So the one where we usually waited, be like 1. We're gonna hit that open in that space. And then we'll keep repeating that open E in the each new measure there, each new set. So it's like 3, 4, 1. So it ends up going 4 times for the intro. 2 times is just guitar, then the band comes in the next 2 times, and then the verse comes in the next 2 times. And once we get through those verse 2 times, we're gonna have. Okay, so we're gonna get into an A type of chord. So we have A bass, 5th string, and then the 7, 6, and 5 going down from the D string to those little 5s in the bottom 2 strings. And then we're gonna have the 6 from that A chord. We're going to the 8 over here on the 2nd string, little kind of half step bend up and down. And that's part of an A7 chord. See that shape there? So we got. And this will kind of pick up with open, open, 2, 2, open, 2. So it ends up being. And I suppose you could go O to 2 to 2 to 2. But this, I think maybe once he does it with opens there, so. Either way. Now, so most of those parts end up going pretty much the same way as that, but there's always a set of measures at the end of these phrases that gets into some weird thing, and it's always a little bit different. So this first one is gonna go 1, 2. Okay, so it's weird timing on that. You're gonna have a 2 to start with on the G string, but you come in on the and of 2. So it's 1, 2. So after the 2, you're gonna hit a little open on the E string, 3 to 1 on the 2nd string, and then a 2, 1 open like from an A minor chord. Happens kind of quick there. So you got 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. And then we're gonna go 2 on the G, open E, little half step bend on that 3, so it's 1, 2. So this sounds kind of weird, but that's what they got going on. We got 3 on the G string, 3 to 1 on the 2nd string, little E open, pull off, 2 to open on the G. Okay, so we got 1, 2. And then we end with a rest. So this is the top of like a C7 chord. We got 5, 5, and 6 on the bottom 3 strings. So we got rest. And then we get into a series of chords here. We got this G chord, 5, 4, 3, 3, on the bottom 4 strings. 2 times of that. Now this one is open, 2, 1, open. That's a D minor 9, so we got G, D minor 9, C7 is 3, 2, 3, 1, starting on the 5th string. B7 7 is 2, 1, 2, open 2, starting on the A string there. So we got. Okay, one more time on that. G, D minor 9, C7, B7, and then we're back into rest. So this time it's going to be a little different with the little trill thing, but that first thing back is going to be 1. So we rest the whole 1, and then we come in with the O, 2, 2, 2, O, 2. So 3, 4, rest. So this time we're going to do the bum, bum, trill, but then we're going to wait and go, just do one more hammer on pull off. So this one kind of goes, and then you kind of pick up with ba-dum, ba-dee, ba-dum. So you do those until A. Now this one's going to be another one of those interesting end bits. It's going to be like 1, 2. So it's a big 2 F sharp up here. We go rest on the 1, 1, 2, open to 1 on the second string, little E open. Last bit of that measure is the open D, and the new measure starts with a 2 on the G string. So it's 1, 2. So we have a 2, and then a bend up and down on the 3 in the second string. Pull off to the 1, hit the 2 again, little E, and then we're gonna have rest. So 1, little E is on the 2, little bend on the 3 is on the 3rd beat, and then that 3 is the 4th beat. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then rest. Okay, so this new bit again is 1. So we got 1. We got our rest, and we got those hits on that 5, 5, 6. Then we got our G, D minor, all that stuff. We got. And then we go rest or a. So this chord is 2 on the D string, and then 3 and 3 on the bottom 2, and we're muting everything else. So we don't want to hear that G string open or anything. And we have a rest before this, and we have like triplet feels. So it's like rest. Back into the G chords. Rest. Okay, now we're to the keyboard solo section. We're gonna go. So open, open, 2, 2 on the D. Do that twice. Okay, so we do that a couple times with our normal riff there. Then we have one more set of. Then we go right into A. But what we're going to do here is add a little bit at the end. We got 6, 8, little bend, and then 6, 8, 5 to add a little thing at the end. And then we're going back to. Right into the G chord thing. Back into G. Rest. So this time we go to the open and 2 on the D string. Okay, and we do all that same stuff. Now we get to this end piece. We're going to have rest again on the 1 and the first part of the 2. So it's 1, 2. So we hit the 2 of the G string on the and of the 2. So 1, 2, and. Open to 1 on the second string, little E open. 1, 2. Here we have a 2, a 3, Little bend up and down, pull off to the 1, 2-1 open, and a little bend on the 3, little open, and then a 2 and 3 at the end of that one. So it ends up being 1, 2. And then we got the rest. And then we get back into this thing. Okay, so we did that twice, and then we have some new fills. Okay, then we're gonna move into. So this is a cool fill. We got open, open, open G, quick 2 to 4, 3 on the second, little open. And that's 2 on the G, open on the B, so. Open G right there, and then we're gonna pick up with da, da, dee, da, da, so a little different than usual, so. We go to A. Throw those little notes at the end again, and then we're gonna have rest. So we have a rest and then a couple 2s, rest. 2, 2 open. You can kind of slide into it if you want. Kind of a 4, 3. Then we get into the chord of the 4 and 3. So dun, 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 dun. Little open E at the end. And then we have rest. Half a beat rest here. We got 1. So that was open D, 2, and then 1 open. Rest. That was 2, 2 on the G, 3 bend up and down, and then 1, 2, 1 open, and then hit that chord of the 1 open. Then we're coming to the 10s. We're gonna go. So little 10s to 11 on the 3rd. 10s again. 13 on the 2nd. Real quick 10 here. Got that rest with that 5, 5, 6, and then you got your G chords. Do that again. Last time. And you can do a B up here. 9, 8, 7, 7, so it'd be. And then this last one, we're gonna go to the octave of that 2 and 3s thing. 14 and 15, 15 on the bottom 2. So 14's on the D. Okay, so ready or 1. Okay, and that's the end of it. Love Me 2 Times by The Doors, the great Robbie Krieger. 3 pages of tabs. Hope you dig it. Talk to y'all soon.